watching I Think Technologies. In this particular video I have tried to show you some of my older projects when I was in high schools, and when I before that also, like there's a music Dhoom which was I made at like when I was in 8th standard. So all these I hope so you'll like this. The code is really bad, so don't take inspiration from my code. I just want to show you what all things I used to make when I started coding. So in this video I have discussed about all those things, and if you're thinking about the code, I will provide the link in the description below, but still, like, don't use that, okay? And let's start the video. Bye bye.
Today I have a plan of making a review of my code, which I wrote around I think 1 year before, and you will be able to see like how I was coding, and we'll see like what all childish thing I was doing and what all like I'm really afraid, I don't know what all things are there. So it's been a while I have written all these things, so let's see like what I have made. Okay, so if you simply go to this folder, there are basically like two projects. If you go like this final project, I don't know why I have mentioned this final. Okay, so this is the final version, so its name is also final. Yeah, let's look at this final one. So this is basically a code which generates a website for you with a Python application. Cool, right? So there's a question paper there also. Okay, so as you can see, the web. I at that time I used to find this really cool this heading called web or something like that in Python. Okay, so it says one to start. Why will a man stop the program as soon as after opening? I don't know. Let's start. One. Okay, please start a project by start command. Okay. File name will be my test. So this is the name of the HTML file which you want to generate. Title is dope website. I think it does take space. So let's see. Yeah, the project created successfully. This is the project mode. Okay, so the project mode is actually where you can create all these things. So I can type, I think, help. Yeah, help will give me all the list of commands which I can generate. So let's generate a top nav. Let's give a title. So we can give a title like dope app. Back color red, no, green. Text color white. HITE. Yeah, so that generated a project element on that page. We can generate something more, so we can generate a paragraph. So paragraph, paragraph. Hi, I am generating this website. The color will be black, of course. Yeah, so generated. There are some things really cool. Let me show you list. Okay, so list. So we can write ordered list, OL for ordered list, and UL for unordered list. So let's create an ordered list. So this. Hey man, that doesn't work. Okay, let's try again. So I think we can go with list command and at capital OL. Okay, number of items 3. Number item 1. This is cool. Let's see what have I made. Cool app. Okay, it's a little bit messy, I know, and because I don't know, this is like messy. At last, like there's an interesting thing. Let me show you that. Like we can generate even a question paper. So this is a question paper template. Okay, we can insert images. So okay, let's save the project at last and see what do we get. I think we have a save command. Okay, you can see the website is generated with the same specification as we have given. Black top nav with all these things. So this was really basic, and if you see the code, like the code is also like really not at all very interesting, but still the thing, the concept by which I use is like I generated an HTML file with all the HTML content, and inside that I use CSS for like specifying all the styles. So I think this is the open file method which is used to open the file, handle list. So this is like the list command, this is the form command, this is the project mode. Okay, these are various commands. Okay, the web. That's funny. Okay, let's move towards the second project, so airport management system. Okay, let's run it. So this is the, I was the only one in the class who was using a database. Like, this is Sqlite Database. Most of the students were using CSV for this. Okay, so as you can see, as you hit enter, okay, let's do that again. This, I was a big fan of this. As you think, in the both of the programs, we had this Air India, so that was cool. Let's okay, so these are all sections. I think we can go to administration. Okay, add a new airplane, remove a new airplane, get all airplanes under operation. So let's do that 3 number. Oh my god, these many airplanes. I can go to London, Islamabad, Japan, Paris, Europe, Dubai, London, Hong Kong. Oh my god, do you want to go somewhere? You can book a ticket. Okay, that's cool. Let's try to add a plane. Okay, name of the airplane, what would be that? This Tara 787, 456, whatever. Number of seats available, I think 567. I don't know. Cost of first class, let's make it 12,000. Cost of business class, 15,000. Cost of economy class, 5,000. Airplane destination, where? America. Where should it go? I think let's make it America. I know America is a country, but still I could not remember the name of a city. I'm sorry. So as you can see, that printed like all that particular added whatever data. 2, I think. What is that? 2 for tickets. So 2 for tickets. Book a ticket. Okay, let's try to book a ticket. Enter your name. My name is Jay. I want 2 seats, one for you and one for me. Okay, and choose airplane. So okay, I have to write the ID. So I want to go on Vistara flight to London, NCR3X8. I'm gonna go on first class. Okay, so you can see, even if this gives you the cost. That's great. So yeah, one more thing, this has a very interesting feature to generate reports. So let me show you. Actually, you can see, there's like something called, I think, information. So you can go there. So 3 and get all airplanes. This does not have, I don't know, like, let's see. 1. Yeah, this has generate reports. You can see in the number 7. So let's try to generate a report. Let's name it my dope res. I want all the airplanes record, and it generated successfully. Okay, let's go and see. Actually, it puts all the reports generated in the reports folder. So these are the reports which I already generated before. This one I think I have generated now. So yeah, this was pretty cool. Okay, that's cool. This has generated all the reports. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I have made one more project. It was like it was music Dhoom. So it was a music player made in JavaFx. I think I have uploaded a video on that. I'll include that in this video also. So I hope so you like the video, and if you like it, subscribe my channel and like this video. In the next video, I'm starting something really big. I'm gonna make my portfolio site with React, and I think Express, and I think .NET Web API, and many other technologies. So just stay tuned, like this video, subscribe the channel, and bye bye.